Grapes are truly nature's candy. Did you know there are over 8,000 varieties of grapes worldwide? From the sweet Concord to the crisp Thompson seedless, each type brings its own unique flavor and benefits. Packed with antioxidants, grapes can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve your skin health. Plus, a fantastic snack, low in calories and high in hydration. Ever tried freezing them? They make a refreshing treat on a hot day. And let's not forget about wine. Grapes are the foundation of some of the finest wines in the world. So, whether you enjoy them fresh, dried as raisins, or in a glass of wine, grapes are a delicious and versatile fruit that everyone should love. If you found this interesting, like and subscribe for more fun facts.